everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going over how to add a slam shut device to a Cirval 200. Gather your kit. You should have a slam shut device, 3 O-rings, and a new strainer. The first step is to find the 2 hex bolts at the base of the regulator and remove them using a 5mm hex wrench. Set these screws aside as they will be reused later. Remove the flange and make sure to remove the 2 O-rings. Remove the strainer if installed and make sure the O-ring is removed. It may be attached to the strainer or fall off into the regulator body. Make sure the O-ring is installed in the new strainer. Now whenever installing a new O-ring, make sure you use some of the O-ring lubricant. Insert 1 O-ring into the regulator body and 1 onto the slam shut device. The slam shut can be installed in 4 positions. Make sure it is installed in the correct position. Insert the slam shut into the regulator body, making sure not to move any of the O-rings out of place. Use hex bolts to connect the slam shut into the regulator body, and then tighten them with a 5mm hex wrench. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out our channel for additional content on all things natural gas. If you have any questions, our experts are always here to help.